If you don't know anything about what a narcissist is, or you never dated a narcissist, or you never believe your friends or family members about the relationship they've had with a narcissist, you never really understood what was really going on in that narcissistic relationship. After listening to this raw footage, you're gonna have a full idea as far as understanding why you should never date a narcissist. And for those of you who probably dated a narcissist, this video is another reminder as far as why you should never go back to a narcissist despite whatever they're gonna try to catch you back. But before we go ahead and play this video, I'm gonna need you guys to do 3 things for me. The first one, I'm gonna need you to share your experience in the comments below. Let us know how you survived your narcissistic relationship. Number 2, if you are new around, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And number 3, which is the most important one, like the video so YouTube could push it to more people. On that note, let's go ahead and start the video.
Relationship started to change is when the fighting started. Let's just make it basic.
But
so
you deny that you were talking to those girls.
No, I'm not denying it. Will you shut up? Are you able?
But that is a big part of why you were
able? Do you have the capacity to do that for 2 seconds? 1, 2. Can you do it longer than that? Do you have the ability to not speak?
Well, if we're talking, why don't we both
You're still
talk?
doing it.
Why is it one-sided?
It's not one-sided. You just don't know how to do it. You can't. It's beyond your stubbornness or whatever the fuck it is. I don't know. I don't know. It's just beyond you. You can't. It's the same reason the Facebook bullshit happens. It's the same reason everybody fucking knows. You don't know how to shut your mouth. No one has ever told you sometimes it's okay to be quiet.
You just don't want anybody to know what you did.
Everybody knows what I did already. So what's your fucking point?
Why did you threaten me saying nobody needs to find out what happened in here?
And you said you would,
you said you would call the cops and make up some bullshit story about me.
You are goddamn right. I will do whatever the fuck it has to do.
You even threatened me with my kids.
You are damn right. Because you don't listen. So I told you I will make you. Bottom line, you don't know how to control yourself. You never have. You've gotten worse over the years.
I didn't do anything to you.
It's not that. It's just you are blind to life.
It's not just the cheating. It's your whole behavior.
Nobody.
I believed you. I believed you.
Okay, well then you say that. Don't add all this other bullshit in there making you holier than fucking thou.
I'm not holier than thou, but you are hateful and mean.
You're goddamn right I am. When I get to the point after I basically fucking begged you to stop doing the shit you do, and you are so goddamn fucking stubborn and right on your horse that you won't. And then by the time I get
stubborn,
like this,
it's hurt.
Then you're like, well, you're so mean. Well, you fucking listen then.
You said you had thought about me the whole time and I was your soulmate and you were in love with me.
You know what I said? You know what I said?
And I believed you.
What did I tell you for the longest time? I said, the way we are doing it will not work. I'm telling you.
You were just mad that I found out everything.
I'm just not a dumbass.
You told me that you've cheated on everybody you've ever been with.
In confidence? You would have stayed here for years.
Because you kept saying thank you for not leaving me and thank you for loving me.
Because I meant it.
I'm sick.
I am.
So then why are you making fun of me for believing you again?
I'm not making fun of you. But you're not realistic about nothing. You live in la-la fucking land. You're unforgiving. You're vindictive as fuck. You're hateful. You're mean as shit.
Are you sure you're not projecting?
Yeah, I'm projecting.
You have somebody you're cozying up with in the home goods store.
No, went on one date. Went on a date.
And you were making fun of her.
Just to get the fuck out. No, wasn't making fun of her.
Yes, you were. I heard you.
You don't know shit. You don't know a fucking thing. What the fuck? I'm redecorating. Look at the curtains.
You're redecorating and already going on dates, yes.
Went on one date and I put up 2 curtains. You can call that what you like. You can call that I'm redecorating and I have someone new. Because in your mind, that's what makes sense to you. Bottom line, I hate this shit where it's hateful.
Then why do you act that way?
Because you approach me like shit.
You're making that up.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter. Stick to the truth.
It's still the matter is that you're opening your mouth to me in a negative manner, which I have told you I am done with. This is why I don't like you. It's turning into hate. It's because you won't shut up.
You mean about the truth?
About you, but you won't stop talking about anything.
You just sat there and said you've done everything. Why won't you let me finish a sentence?
Because what you say is stupid.
And you're a genius?
Dumb. That shit is dumb. You don't even know what the fuck you say. Then don't do that fucking pity party fucking stupid shit. And act like I'm making fun of you.
It's not pity party.
You're a fucking ass. Dumb. It's fucking stupid.
So why do you feel like you should put your hands on women?
With all the time I've done in prison, with all the fucking laws.
Just admit that you've done that.
Just admit that you're a fucking attention whore. Has everything to do with everything of who you are. You have to have it. You have to have someone going.
I think you're projecting again. That's why you call the women, because you have to have constant attention. That's why you're already going on dates, because you're the one that needs constant attention. So I think you're the attention whore. You wouldn't understand people being grateful.
Well, look, you don't even. I don't even fuck. You drive me nuts with your fucking you. I'll tell you how. This is my honest opinion of how you speak and what you think. You speak very smartly sometimes, but when people try to talk to you, sometimes it's like talking to a 2-year-old. You don't understand basic concepts.
Yes, I do.
Well,
and I'm able to stay focused on the point.
Well, not really.
Yes, I do.
You jump around.
No, I don't. I already told my kids where I was.
Yeah, you told your kids. You didn't tell me.
Why would I tell you?
This is my fucking house you live in and that you leave. The part of you.
I still live here.
You live here. That's it.
I never asked anything of you except be the person that you showed me that you were, and you
that
changed.
Person fucking died.
Because he didn't ever exist.
No, he did exist.
Only to get me.
That was a lot. That was a lot. And when I tell you, man, from intimidation, gaslighting, name calling, method of control, I mean, the entire audio was filled with just everything a narcissist would do. This is exactly why you need to stay away from narcissists. And it's not a 1 day or 1 month thing. It's an everyday thing. You get to deal with that every day on a consistent level. That's why the minute you realize that you are dating a narcissist, you need to run. It's only gonna get worse. Only gonna get worse. You need to listen to this as many times as you need to, because this is exactly what the narcissist would do to you. And no matter what you do, the only way for you to fix that situation is to leave the relationship as soon as possible. No if but about it. On that note, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If I've missed something in the process, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.